YT. Yeah, I'm back with another one, man. Got this old 1988 SS Monte Carlo. He coming in today. Well, he came in a few days. I'm just a little bit behind on my videos and stuff like that. But he came in the other day to get this old one-touch treatment. Going with the CTS panel. Yeah, we're going with the CTS on here. And man, this thing is beautiful, man. I love this car. I got the doors locked. I think I got the key on me. Well, I got the keys in the house, I think. Oh, they might be on me. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I got them on. There we go. Brand new seats in here. Pretty much the little things just kind of broke down right now. Just trying to see where I'm gonna run everything at. You got all new wires. The whole car been re-ride up or whatnot. And I don't know if you can see it, but I already did the markings and stuff like that. So I'm about to get ready to cut the hole on this one, man. So we can go and get this thing in the game. And yeah, man. Hey, we working two at the same time right now. Yes, sir. We busting this one down, and we're gonna probably have this one done by in the morning for the customer to come pick it up. Just want y'all to stay in touch with me, man, while I get this whole thing together. One bad SS, man. But yeah, want y'all just stay locked with me, man, while I go ahead and do what I gotta do. I already broke down the headline and stuff like that. I did that last night. I couldn't get that on camera. It was dark. But yeah, she broke down already, so all I gotta do is cut. That's why I say I'm gonna cover up everything, because you see you got the Harley EFI digital in there, vintage AC. You know what I said, just gotta cover up everything, man. Like I said, I'm gonna treat everything nice and good. Make sure we don't get no sparks, and when I get the welding and stuff like that, it won't burn holes to anything. But yeah, man, y'all stay locked and loaded with me, though. I said I got everything back here bad in the trunk. I gotta unplug everything. But yeah, finna get ready to get this thing in the game, man. And plus I got 2 more in the backyard, and I'm gonna keep y'all posted on them as well, so y'all just stay locked and loaded. We rolling, man. One. All right, YT. The SS that I showed y'all earlier, man. I'm back with the roof in here now. I just gotta finish welding it. Just wanted to get it up in there and make sure everything was everything. But that thing is up in there, y'all. CTS panoramic. Just gotta finish welding it, but everything is gonna be good. So the customer will be picking this one up tomorrow in the morning. Well, I think he's gonna be at work, but yeah, when he get off, he'll be ready for me. I'm just gonna finish welding it tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and swipe it with the fiberglass, get it on about the way, and I'll be starting on the next one, man. Y'all just stay tuned for the next vehicle to come in. See, everything is nice and neat. Just gotta run the wires and all that, and get everything nice and tucked off. I was gonna do the headline on this one, but I said I was gonna pass on it because his headline is so A1. I just rather him, you know what I'm saying, go to his interior man and let him go ahead and do it. And you You know, he got a little body work on it as well that he got to get done. So when it leaves me, I guess it's going to go into the motor shop, get something fixed, then it's going to the body shop, get that body. See, it's just a little damage, nothing too major. But I guess I'll be working this thing for the rest of the night. Go ahead and get it wired up, get the welds, and run the drain plug. I got new drain plugs for it. And we be rocking and rolling, man. We be right on schedule tomorrow. I got 2 more cars I gotta finish. I'm gonna get those knocked out tomorrow. So I'm gonna knock 2 of them out in one day. I'll be on it. But that's why I'm gonna even finish this one tonight, so it'll be ready in the morning. But I know he's gonna pick it up probably later on that day. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. Next time I'll probably cut this camera back on. It'll probably be on the next 2 cars. So as y'all can see, this thing pretty much out the door. So I'm about to go ahead and finish what I gotta finish, man. Y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One touch guy. Right here, baby. One bad SS. Out of here, get loaded up, she out, man. Y'all just stay locked and loaded, man, to the next one.